Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. My dear student, today's session is about bronchus, bronchi and bronchioles. So, if you want to see my previous sections, I have explained about what is the respiratory system, what are the organs belongs to respiratory system, what is the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx and trachea. The continuous part of the trachea is nothing but bronchi and bronchioles. So what it is telling, there is a if you can see here, over here, this is a nasal cavity and followed part is pharynx, larynx and trachea, and next part will be called as bronchi. There, as we know that right bronchi and left bronchi. So here it is telling two primary bronchi when the trachea is divided about the level of T5. At the level of T5, it is a dividing in the two kinds of the divisions. That the first one is right primary bronchi and second one is left primary bronchi. So that is about a division of the bronchi. Let us see about as I told you, what it is indicates of right bronchus. So what are the silent features of right bronchus? Let us see. As I drawn here diagram, it is a trachea. You just imagine it is a trachea. So it is called as right bronchi. What is the first point? This is a wider. As you can see here in the diagram. So here it is telling this is called as right and this is called as left bronchi. So here it is telling the first point is telling it is a wider. Yes, you can see here it is a wider. This is the wider. So that is the first point. And next one is it is a shorter and it is a vertical position. So it is telling here it's from here to here it is a short and it is a wider, as we know that, and it is present in the vertical. So we know that what is the meaning of vertical. So this is the position is called as vertical, this is the position is called as horizontal. So it is slider about a vertical position. So that is a point, and the length of the right bronchus is about 2.5 centimeters. From here to here, the 2.5 centimeters will be there. Yeah. So after entering into the lung, there is a divisions will be there. There is a three kinds of the branches are there. So this is actual lung diagram. So after entering of this right bronchi, there is a first division, second division, third division. So this is about right bronchi. My dear students, you must understand in some questions in the some competitive exams, they may ask what are the branches or what are the divisions of the right bronchi. So there is a three kinds of the divisions are there. Is it? So there is a silent features I have explained. That is about right bronchi. Let us see next one is left bronchi. Yeah, the first point is it is a narrowing. It is a narrowing, then the right. So as I told you here, it is a wider, but it is a narrowing. So little narrowing compared to this right. Yeah. And next one is here it is telling here you can see the length. So the length is 5 centimeters, whereas right bronchi the size will be 2.5, but it is a 5 centimeters. You can understand it is a shorter and it is a longer, it is a narrow, it is a wider. So that is about this thing. Next we can see what is the point it is telling. After entering into the left lung, it is divided into the two branches. That is the difference in between these things. So here it is entering 1, 2, 3 in the right, but left side it is only entering 1 and 2 in the left lung. So my dear students, this is about right bronchi and left bronchi. This is about what are the branches occur in the right bronchus and what are the divisions of the left side. So this is actual of the silent features of right bronchi and left bronchi. Yes, right and left bronchi. So this is about bronchus silent features. Let us see what is the process. What is the divisions of this. The first one is bronchi. After that the continuation is bronchioles. After that terminal of the bronchioles, then respiratory bronchioles, next alveolar duct, next alveoli. You can see in the diagrammatic presentation. So what is the trachea? Where is the trachea? And bronchus. And next one is what is the part and next. So what I told you, the flow chart you can able to find out here. The first division will be bronchi, the end division will be alveoli. So this is about division and diagrammatic presentation. So you can able to see in the diagrammatic presentation of what is a normal alveoli. So how it is look like, the normal, it's like a pouch like structure. But in the case of pneumonia, so what it is telling, it is a clinical significant. What it is telling, when there is a fluid, when you can able to find out the fluid within the alveoli, so that will be called as pneumonia. Is it? So this is a pneumonia alveoli and this is a normal alveoli. So that is a significant you can able to find out. And what is the structure? What are the layers is present for the bronchus? So as you know that ciliated columnar mucosa and non-ciliated cuboidal shaped cells also we can able to find for here. And we can see here what are the blood supply. As I told you, what is the arterial, what is the venous, and what is nerve blood supply. Arterial blood supply absolutely bronchial artery, and next one is venous blood supply bronchial veins, and nerve blood supply will be vagus nerve. And one more thing also is there, lymphatic drainage will be thoracic duct. So this is the blood supply we can able to find out in the bronchus. And what are the main functions? The first function is controlling of the air entry. So it is a trachea, followed by the trachea there is a bronchus right and left. So it is a allowing of the air entry. Yeah, that is the main function. And warming and humidification. So absolutely there is layer, mucosal layer will be there. So when the moisture is going to add with the air, that will be called as humidification. Humidification will be occur in the part of trachea also. That is about this. And supporting patency. As I told you, so hues of the air, when it is going to allowing through a trachea, it is going to support and pattern it. So that's what we can able to say one of the function of trachea is supporting. And removal of particles matter. So it is helpful for the filtering, as well as I told you, cough reflex. If you find my previous sessions, the cough reflex will be originated from the trachea as well as bronchus also. So these are the main functions we can able to find out. Okay, and one more two functions we can see here. One more three functions we can able to see here. The main functions. External respiration. What is the meaning of here? External respiration is nothing but, as you know that the respiration will be occur in the part of alveoli. For suppose you can see, so this is the diagram of alveoli. End part of the respiratory system, it is a blood stream. So it is a blood stream. As we know that the respiration is nothing but inspiration, expiration, and also we can call it as it is the exchanging of the gases. Yeah, so exchanging of the gases from the blood stream to inside there is a carbon dioxide, and from here to here it is going to be oxygen. So it is an exchange. So osmosis, diffusion, this kind of the terms we can able to find here. That is exchanging is going to happen. Is it? So that is a process will be called as external respiration. We can able to find out the external respiration here itself. So this is about the external respiration. And what is the meaning of defensive? So defensive mechanism is nothing but protection. So how the protection will be occur? Yeah, so there is a tissue will be there within the lungs, that is the lymphocytes as well as plasma cells. This kind of the things is producing antibodies. As you know that the important of antibodies is acting against the infection. Whenever the antigen, whenever the foreign bodies is entering into the body, so this kind of the lymphocytes and plasma cells is secreting antibodies and acting the about infection. And one more thing, gases exchange. As we know that the main function of this alveoli is a gases exchanging. Whatever the gases, carbon dioxide, oxygen, it is going to exchanging through the semi-permeable membrane. This is the membrane is built up of semi-permeable membrane. So this is about the functions of bronchus. My dear student, so today's sessions I have discussed about what is the meaning of bronchus, bronchioles, what are the divisions, right and left, what are the subdivisions, and what are the functions, So this we have seen today's session. I hope you understood. So I will come back with another session, the continuous part of the respiratory system. Until that, stay tuned. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much, my dear students.